Well, sir. Good. How are you? Good. The reason I pulled you over, your brake lights are out. So you only have one active brake light, and that's going to be your passenger side one. Your third brake light, which is up here on top, and then this one back here, is going to be out. You have your license and insurance?
I do have a firearm on me.
Don't reach for it then. Don't pull it out. Don't pull it out.
You just killed my boyfriend.
Don't pull it out!
I wasn't.
Don't move! Fuck!
Oh man, I can't
Fuck!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Don't move!
Oh my
Don't
God.
move!
Oh my God, I'm shaking.
Don't move!
Don't move, baby.
Code 3! Get the baby girl out of here!
Don't move,
Fuck!
sir.
Don't move!
Don't move, babe, please.
Fuck!
Whatever you
6921, get back here, code 3! Shots fired! Fuck!
stay with me.
Medic,
Stay
code
with
3!
me. We got pulled over for a busted tail light in the back. And the police he's covered. He ain't killed my boyfriend. He's licensed, he's licensed to carry. He was trying to get out his ID and his wallet out his pocket, and he let the officer know that he had a firearm and he was reaching for his wallet, and the officer just shot him in his arm. We're waiting for that. I will, sir. No worries. I will. He just shot his arm off. We got pulled over on Larpener.
I told him to get his hand up!
You told him to get his ID, sir, and his driver's license. Oh my God, please don't tell me he's dead. Please don't tell me my boyfriend just went like
Keep your
that.
hands where they are, please!
Yes, I will, sir. I'll keep my hands where they are. Please don't tell me this, man. Please, Jesus, don't tell me that he's gone. Please don't tell me that he's gone. Please, officer, don't tell me that you just did this to him. You shot 4 bullets into him, sir. He was just getting his license and registration, sir.
Get the female passenger out!
Ma'am, exit the car right now with your hands up. You see your hands. Exit now. Keep them up. Keep them up.
Where's my gun?
Keep with me and walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk.
6910, one adult, 6921, I'm sorry. One adult female, getting taken into custody. Driver at gunpoint. Juvenile female child is with 6920. Me and a couple other squads block off intersections. Get supervisors here. Page them out.
What do you need, Mark?
Keep his hands, let's just wait.
Yep. Alright.
Okay. You see both his hands? I need somebody, let's get gloves on.
Are all officers up?
Okay.
Are all officers good?
Okay.
All officers good.
All officers are good. We need it pulled into park.
I'm going to take your spot. I'm going to take your spot. Listen. I'm going to take your spot, buddy. Listen. I got your spot, okay? I got him. I got him here.
You got him?
I got him, buddy. I got him here.
Yeah.
All right? Dude, you're right. You're not hit any area.
Oh my God. Fucking A!
Walk back here.
Control everybody.
Walk back here.
Yeah, I got it.
Got him, yeah.
Fucking A, dude! I told him to fucking stop. He had his hand out.
Oh my God! Oh my gosh, dude! Fuck! Let's get some more squads here so we can fucking block off everybody over there. Ah!
We got a block off here. Someone move a squad alongside over there. Squad up. Block that. Anybody able to move a squad up to block? Someone across the street.
What location are you at that you have it closed?
What, Marvinburg and St. Mary's? Just Holland.
220, can you advise on that? Okay, still meet the traffic.
I'll take care of that, okay? Can you just go on your phone? Go ahead.
5185. Traffic blocked off. Can we get a...
Copy, we're going to keep all the traffic blocked off here.
Are you able to move the squad up so they're not all
I'm fucked up right now.
maybe mine or something?
I need you to just breathe.
We in the back seat of the police car.
Which direction did you fire from?
Right at the driver, I had it right out.
Phil's
point it
sister
down.
called
I don't know how many
me.
rounds
The
I let
police
off.
just shot my boyfriend for no apparent reason.
Your car right here.
My phone
Mine's
was
the one
about
that's
to
pulling
die.
over.
They shot him. He shot him 3 times because we had a busted
Just
tail light.
directly, I
He
had it
asked
at
him
my
for
waist.
license and registration. He told him that man that it was
Sitting
in
in the
his
car,
wallet,
seatbelted.
but he had a
I
pistol
told
on him
him,
because he's licensed to carry. And the
"Your
officer
license?"
told him don't move. And as he
And
was
then-
putting his hands back up, the officer
And then
shot
he
him
had a
in his
firearm.
arm about 4 or
I told
5
him not to
times.
reach for it, and when he went down to grab,
I'm on
I told him
Larpenteur
not
and
to reach
Fry.
for it,
Whoever can come
and
to
then he kept it right there,
Larpenteur and
and I told him to
Fry,
take his hands
that's
off of it.
where I'm at. I'm
And
gonna
then
need a
he-
ride home. We is on
He had
Larpenteur
his
and Fry.
grip a lot wider than a
If
wallet,
you can come to Larpenteur and
and I don't
Fry,
know where the gun was.
we
He didn't
right
tell me
here
where
in
the fucking gun was.
Roseville. We got the
And
Roseville
then
police.
it was
They got
just
me
getting
handcuffed.
hanky. He gave.
My phone
he
is
was just
about to
staring straight
die.
ahead, and I was
I'm on
getting
Larpenteur and
fucking
Fry.
nervous, and then
The Roseville
I
police
told him,
department
I know,
just shot
fucking,
my
I told him to
boyfriend.
get his fucking hand off his gun.
They shot him 4 times. He's licensed to carry.
Fuck!
We had a busted tail light,
Do we have everybody?
and we had some
Yeah,
weed in the
there
car.
was
people in the car?
just 3 people in the
Three
car.
people in
There
the
was
car.
a female front seat passenger, the little girl in the back,
Breathe. Breathe in.
and the dude.
It was a Chinese police officer that
Listen to me real quick.
shot him.
Okay.
So I know you
He's
want to talk
Chinese.
about it, but
He's
those are the
about
things we need to know.
5'5",
If there's any other
5'6"
suspects
and
who
a
said
half.
no,
Yep.
what
Heavy
direction did you
set
fire your
guy.
weapon?
Yep.
I had down
He
hip,
asked
I
him
had
for
it
his
pointed
license
down.
and registration, which
It's
is in the back
diagonal.
of his pocket.
Nope, so we're just
He keeps his
bringing it
wallet
on
in
Into
his
the car.
pocket.
They're all around
And
there
as
in
he
the
went
car.
to reach, he let the officer
And then there's no
know
other outstanding
before
suspect and
he
nobody
was
else is injured
reaching that he had
Nobody
a
else is injured that I
firearm
know
on
of.
him. And before he can let the
let's get you
officer
out of here,
know
buddy.
anything, the officer took off shots. About 4 or 5 rounds was shot, and my boyfriend, I don't know what condition he's in. I don't know if he's okay or if he's not okay. I'm in the back seat of the police car, handcuffed. I need a ride. I'm on Larpenteur and Fry. They got machine guns pointed. Don't be scared. My daughter just witnessed this. The police just shot him for no apparent reason. No reason at all. They asked for license and registration. That's the police officer over there that did it. With the black on. I can't really do shit because they got me handcuffed.
It's okay, Mommy.
I can't believe they just did this. I'm fucking fine. Ah!
It's okay, I'm right here with you.
Please, Lord. Y'all, please pray for us, Jesus, please, y'all. I ask everybody on Facebook, everybody that's watching, everybody that's tuned in, please pray for us. Sister, I know I just dropped you off, but I need to be picked up. I need Alizé to call my phone.